Hello everybody, how are you doing? Thank you very much for joining me for this MelodySusie Efile review. I'll show you this. I had one of these, I had one of these a long time ago, and it was, apart from getting a cheap drill from Amazon, which was absolutely rubbish. The next drill that my husband bought me was a Scarlet drill, and I had it for years. And I absolutely loved it. I actually missed it when I swapped onto another drill that I'd got, because it's a desk drill. It stands on your desk. This one now is the SC320G Nail Drill in the S series, and they've upgraded the Scarlet drill. Incidentally, the only reason I couldn't use my Scarlet drill is because I broke the handpiece. But I did realise afterwards, after my husband had bought me another drill, that I could have actually got a spare handpiece for it. So check on MelodySusie if you break your handpiece, drop it or whatever you're doing, because some of them you can get replacements for. But this is the Scarlet. Ooh, pink. My last one was white, but it's now rechargeable. Oh, amazing. So I shall be torn whether to swap back to this one or stick with the one I've got. The one I'm using all the time is this, which is the SM200F, because it's dusty also, in the lovely pink. So yeah, I've been using that for, I'm guessing it's well over a year. It holds its charge wonderfully. So I don't know whether to swap to this though, because I just love how they sit on your desk. So you get the base, so that's nice and sturdy, but you get a little place for your drill bits, so I would pop in there anything I wanted to use for that session, and they were there, ready. So it's got lovely pink wand, handpiece, whatever you want to call it. Let me look at length. Well, it's a little bit longer than the one I've got there, but that just sits inside, and that is that. Plus you've got an on-off there, and then you've got your speed dial here. So also what I've got in this kit is some sanding mans, I'm guessing they're medium, and then your normal mandrel and your diamond bits. So these are the ones for your natural nail, cleaning up your cuticles and stuff. Oh yeah, they've sent me a box, that's good. So that's that. So it's pretty. It looks more peach than pink to me. See what I mean? But I like it. Okay, so your drill bits, let me see. What I'll do is I'll take this gel polish off these, because I tried that yesterday and I liked it. So I'll take the polish off these. So I'm going to use that one, which is the ceramic, and I'll probably use mandrel. So I'll just get the new thingy out to go on that, and my clean cuticle bit. There we go. And I'm not using those because I can tuck those away in the box and keep them nice and clean. When things come with chargers, make sure you only use the one that comes with it. There's a foot pedal thing. Is it in this box? No. Okay, so it's a different kit that you get a foot pedal with. So they've not sent me one, but there is one available. Thought I was going daft then. There is one available if you want it. So that's that. And there we go. So that just sits in there, isn't it nice? So I've got on off. There we are. So that's the forward and reverse speed on the front. So basically that'll work as your pause button as well. So if I've got that on 9, if I press it once, it's going to pause it. So if I press and hold, it turns it off. There we go. Back on again. So it reverts back to 1 if you've not had it on pause. So 4, pause, back onto 4, press and hold, and it'll go off. Okay, oh yeah, so there's loads, well, there's 2 bar in it at the minute, I don't know if you can see. So it might be enough to do my nails, we'll have a look. No vibration. So I'm just using the fang because I'm just taking off the polish. I'm just going to use this. Where did that go? Come on, I got one out. Where did it go? It was in my hand. Oh dear. Oops, snorting again. No, it isn't. It's here. I'm going to say that's a lucky one. Oh dear. Perhaps I ought to go away and have a coffee and come back. Yeah, so they're all in there ready, so they can stay in there if you're only doing your own nails. Keep that, because if you need to, you can pop it back in just to keep your bit safe. So I'm just going to check if you can use it while it's charging. So it's a C-type. So that's charging, so it's flashing up like that. So let's see if I can use it while it's charging. Some things you can, some you can't. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can use it while it's charging, so that's good. Okay. So I've got my extractor fan out, so I'll just get this one done. So I'm going to have it on, turn it on first. I'm going to have it on, it goes up to 30. I'm going to have it on about 12. And I'll just take this one off here, so I can't talk to you for a sec, because I want this on full blast. So I'll just pause. going to push my cuticles back while I'm here. Don't know if you noticed while I was doing that, but it's a 1 press for pause, 2 quick presses for forward and reverse, and then hold for off. So, put that back in, switch it up, store it in there. Isn't it fab? Okay, so that's taken that off beautifully. Very nice. So really all I need to do is to thank MelodySusie for sending me this through. I think it's absolutely fabulous. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it as a giveaway. So if you haven't got an e-file or you haven't got a rechargeable e-file and you want one, then put enter me, and if you win I'll get this sent over to you. The plug that I've got is an adapter for the UK, so if this plug here doesn't fit in with yours, then you'll have to get your own adapter, because that's the UK one. Get in. But I'll give it a full charge. Yeah. Give it all a little dust down again for you. Make sure it's all boxed up lovely. And yeah, I've not taken the cellophane off or anything. I love it. Absolutely love it. Thanks very much for sending me through. Wendy, this is smashing. I think it's lovely. If I'd not got one of my own that I'm using at the minute, then I would have kept this on my desk, but this one's been going strong for a long time, so I'll let somebody else have the opportunity while I've got one. And yeah, just put enter me if you want to win this. I'll leave it going for a week, and yeah, give people ample opportunity. And then once I draw the name, I'll do a post. I'll put it on a post. So I won't contact you, it's for you to contact me, but I'll just put your name up on a post. Might do a little video of drawing it. Yeah, and then I'll give you a couple of days to get in touch with me, but I'll leave it a week from today, well, from this being uploaded, to give you opportunities to come in. So share it with somebody else if they want to have a go for it. And yeah, I think it's fab. So 30,000 RPM, rechargeable, on your desk, neat and tidy. Job well done that, MelodySusie. Like it. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Good luck. Love you loads. Take care. Bye.